Here we have Synergy Manufacturing's option for ball joints for the Ram HD trucks. This is a unique design to Synergy in that they use more of a pin on cup design internally. So what that means is the inside of this ball joint actually looks quite a bit like the tie rod ends on their steering linkage, which they've basically proven over time. A lot of people running the Synergy steering out there, they're happy with it. And as a result, they utilize that design in these ball joints. These ball joints are not only adjustable, but they're rebuildable longer term. In fact, at this price point, nobody else offers adjustable or rebuildable ball joints because the price point on these is actually most competitive with what you find in a parts store. So really nice budget conscious option for these trucks. So taking a look at this joint here, you'll see the grease fitting on the lower joint. You'll see the actual key design they have where the ball joint comes together, as well as the rubber dust seal. Again, not something you normally find in a ball joint at this price point. Upper ball joint here, nice rubber seal, protect from dust, grease fitting on the top. Again, for something that competes price-wise with what you find in an auto parts store, these ball joints actually swing well above their weight class. Synergy offers a really cool option in these ball joints for these trucks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are cross-shopping this with other options, we actually have another video we put together on our YouTube channel, so feel free to check that out. Kind of goes over the various options on the market. If there are any questions you feel we didn't answer with this video, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We're happy to answer any and all questions you might have to help get you the best ball joint option for your truck.